are ready to go. Chain looped yesterday again. Added a lick of oil to the engine as well. Let's get ready to rumble. Lovely weather, nice blue sky, blue police outside. Good morning. 29 minutes to the first waypoint. Off to those hills over there. I will start with the quick fill up. There's a petrol station. I know I didn't need to, but I just want to avoid the problem trying to find petrol later on. So let's do it quickly here. Starting off the day with the full tank. Pump number 4, please. Thank you very much, bye bye. Today my Ducati Multistrada is 36,008 kilometers young. Let's go. Speed cameras, good morning. Hello. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Prayer for the journey. Please God, keep us safe. 9 degrees in the shade. Up. Beautiful road, beautiful start of the day. Getting chilly though. The Multistrada shows 7 degrees now Celsius. 200 meters left. Here. Okay, Krastova Gora. Right. That's where we are going. Nice. Absolutely beautiful. 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 And refreshing and relaxing. Past the first waypoint, which to be honest I just put in there so that it leads me to this road. Otherwise it wanted to take me the main road that we've been driving on at the start of our journey, which would be a second best option, but this one looked gorgeous, even from what I could tell from the map when I was planning for the route for today. I think when starting the external audio recording, I don't think I've put it from the standby mode to recording, so I'll have to stop by and check and fix that, so that from today's trip you get a better motorbike sound experience as well. Basically got a lav mic installed at the back of my motorbike, closer to the exhaust, so that you can get the nice tones and notes of my wonderful Ducati Multistrada and enjoy the audio as well. Let me just have a quick look here. Standby, of course. Fixed. So that should be audio sorted for you. Let's get cracking. Rocks on the road, the stones. Smell of the sawmill. Four degrees. Hello. Heated grips, mid-power. Surprise, surprise. Will this be a paved road or an unpaved road? I'm not in the mood for off-road today. Another sawmill. Lots of wood in the area, obviously. The woodlands. 5 degrees from 4, nice. Every 1 degree above 0 counts. And helps. As they say with Tesco's, every little helps. It blinds me. Yeah. The patches of water are very slippery. No wonder at 5 degrees Celsius. Old buildings, presumably the old factories, administrative buildings of factories, and possibly a relict of previous regimes in the Eastern Bloc. Back to 4 degrees. Here? Yes. Hello? GoPro battery gave up, so here we go again. Starting the engine multistrada style. For all of you who have Italian motorbikes, that's probably something that you're used to. Thank you GoPro for making the battery consumption in your camera so inefficient. I wanted to have the camera on here. Was thinking maybe I would drive without the GoPro on for a while and use my back camera that does the time lapse for the footage, but then I think this is worth it. Multistrada says ice. That's because we are back to 4 degrees. It has gotten chillier overnight, I guess, because yesterday, even when I was arriving to Plovdiv, it was, I think, still around 10 degrees-ish. I kept all my layers on. Worst case, I can still add one more layer, so I would be effectively dressed same as I usually do for skiing, and then I just say bring it on. Three degrees. That's the lowest it's been since I hit the road. I can't see anything. place called Monastery. I don't think there is a monastery. But maybe it is, I don't know. And 6 degrees. Stunningly beautiful. Is that ice? No. Five minutes to the next waypoint. 17 kilometers. Place 17 Adventures YouTube channel. My name is Leo. Thank you for driving with me today. I hope you are enjoying it as much as I do. Photo opportunity might be. Ice, look at it. Ice, ice, baby. We will be now heading off to a place which bears the name of my younger son, Davidkovo. Camera on. Let's get going. It's that white stuff, it's frost. It was freezing cold in the night. Ice. I love the way they have these rest places, shelters prepared, and the water areas and everything. That's very clever. And also with the fireplace on, so that you can keep yourself warm if you need. Just want to be gentle on the throttle of the road. I know now here probably not an issue, but in the areas that are in the shade, there's a lot of frost alongside the road and on the woods next to the road, so I somehow suspect it to be fairly slippery. Oh, hello. And it looks like it's going downhill from here. Down the hill, not downhill. Oh, lovely, look. Hello. No, even covered shelter. This is nice. This is lovely. Just a quick photo stop here. This looks gorgeous. No, this doesn't look gorgeous. It is gorgeous. It is. It just is. Look at that. Down the hill, not the off-road part up there. No, no, no. No, 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 that wouldn't be any good. Stay on the tarmac, please. As we go down the hill, the temperature's going to the above 10 degrees Celsius space again. 12, 11-ish, which is very pleasant again. Little lovely kitten. So this is Davidkovo. And when we continue, the next stop 68 kilometers, 1 hour 42 minutes to our next waypoint. Oh, my son Adam would say Alfa Romeo. Hello Adam. Hello David. Hello my wife Ikra. I'm missing you all. A photo opportunity here. That is it for the photos. On the map the Davidkovo looked fairly small, like a small village, but from what I can see it's not just a small village, it's quite a big town. Big, well, it's relative, isn't it? But it's not like one or two buildings in the middle of nowhere. I mean, yes, it's in the middle of nowhere, but it's not one or two buildings. Cool. Definitely a photo opportunity. Definitely. Look at this. Probably not the most clever thing to do, stop right out of the corner, but there were not going too many cars, so and let's keep going. So 1 hour 38 minutes, 63 kilometers to the next waypoint. And as you can see, it's up the hill again. It's so much beautiful that I'm almost forgetting to comment what I see, but you know, I just want to give you space to enjoy with me what I see, not to disrupt you with my comments. So that's why if there is a place there where we could stop for a moment. Just to enjoy. Wonderful. Stunning and beautiful. It is. You know, I still can't do the YouTube style. You know, guys, this is absolutely stunning and beautiful. Look at this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No, I can't do that. That's not me, so I'm not doing that, okay? I'm enjoying, definitely enjoying in my own way, so if it doesn't come across, then let's work on it somehow, but not be overwhelmingly excited, shouting in an American accent. No, sorry, no. This was not meant of, in any way offensive, okay? And you know what's the worst thing? Maybe in a year or two, maybe I will just develop into this exaggerated, overwhelmingly excited type of presenting. Who knows? Who knows? Hello. What's the mileage that we have from the Asenovgrad? 88 kilometers. Okay. Bonite. Wild pigs in the area. Well, I hope not. And bears. I also hope not. How's the children's song? Go away, spooky bear, go away. Go away, spooky bear, go away. Sorry for that. Really pleasant to go behind you, and it's slippery enough for overtaking, but here you can't do anything, right? So now it's my turn. Sorry. No, it's definitely my turn. I hope I didn't drive on the new asphalt and there will be my motorcycle marks on that forever. Oh! Sorry. I don't know what they will do when this lorry and that fast car that goes behind me will run over them. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, let's use the new tarmac then. Not that new, this one on this side. Now we are back on the tarmac road then. Perfect. Next time I will be here. All new surface. All new tarmac for us. And of course we will be careful because this is a completely new tarmac. Smells new. It's probably very oily still, slippery. Slippery, exactly. Oh, that was some dust. Karjali region. Photo opportunity. But where to stop? Over there. Or here. Nevrija operator na peš. I don't know, sorry. Baniće. This is gorgeous. This is just gorgeous. Okay, it's ready to rumble time again. Smell of tarmac from this lorry that just goes there and back all the day. Replace the batteries in my external recorder for the improved motorcycle audio, like this. Yes. That I have. All I have. All I need to have, I have. What I don't need, I don't have. 1 hour and 10 minutes. 46 kilometers. Not like this. No. Probably like this. Karjali. Many of them going there and back, bringing the tarmac to that road construction. Kitty. GoPro still on. Stunning road. Alright, two of you. One here. Oh, I saw there was something. A car ditched on the right hand side. An ongoing traffic right in the moment when you don't need it, so let's wait and do it over there. I can't see anything, blinded by the sun. Here? No. Here? Yes. Thank you. Careful, the new tarmac. Nedelino. This way. Over the canal. And here. Dust and stones and the new tarmac, so let's be careful as always. New roads being built everywhere as we speak, literally. But looking forward to return here in the next season, next year. And do this road again. So 14 minutes, not even 10 kilometers to the next waypoint. Roadworks in full swing. Let me clear this one here. And joining the main road here. Zlatograd. Bachkovo, Zlatograd. And with this we cleared the mountain range and off we go. From Zlatograd I think it's direct now to Kirkovo, and from Kirkovo we should be crossing into Greece. Hello. And Zlatograd. Petrol, yes, let's do petrol. Just in case. Thank you very much, bye bye. Let's reset this. Zlatograd cleared. Almost. Lovely, nice town as well. The route today was absolutely stunning so far, wasn't it? I did enjoy every meter of it. Even on the surface where it wasn't as good road as if it would have been, that would be an absolute orgasm. But even though, it was still very good. And definitely an area worth revisiting in the future, as I said before. I'm so satisfied with today's drive so far that even if I just have to go through Greece on the main road and cross into Turkey either today or tomorrow, it doesn't really matter. Even if just that, I'd be already very happy about today, and definitely fell in love with Bulgaria as well. So Serbia and Bulgaria on the list of the countries to travel to on a motorbike next year. Hello cows. Fourth gear. driving behind a car, to me, is just dangerous. You never know what that car would do. Exactly the way how he slowed down in front of that curve, which to me was a little bit unnecessary. Hello, cow. Hello. Yes. And so we are in Greece. We made it.